Can you tell us a little bit more about concentricity and why it's important?
So concentricity and total indicated runout, this standard really involves, there's two different ways of looking at it. One is if you have a one-sided mold where all the casting is being done in one side and the top is essentially just a closure for the mold. The other one is where you have features that go right across that parting line that we just looked at.
Yep.
So you have parts that go across that parting line. If everything in that casting is in one side of the mold, there are smaller concentricity tolerances that will occur because everything's been machined in the same setting and everything should be relatively concentric in a one-sided mold. When we go across a parting line, though, there can be a slight amount of mismatch at that parting line. The machining has to be done in separate operations, so that's where those concentricity issues develop from the mold itself. The castings will do exactly what the mold does.
Yeah.
So
when it goes across a parting line, the tolerances require a little more ease.
Yep, you need a little bit more room in your tolerances to accommodate the features across the parting line.
Okay.